Sundays. Cold air intake. So the car came with a no-name sort of crappy, filthy intake, and I've been wanting the HKS one for a little while. Finally bought it last week from GT Auto Garage. Tim was kind enough to source it, look after me on price, and I've just finished installing it, so I'm gonna take it for a quick drive. Back they come. Other side. Good girl. Here's hoping I get no check engine lights. Not any errors, because you know, I installed it. Okay, all the lights are gone. Whew. Don't mind my little Pikachu. Ready? Typical Evo Brembos. If you have an Evo, do you have this issue? Let me know in the comments, please. Let's see if it sounds any different. I can't tell, maybe I'm just really excited to have a clean and quality intake now. But it feels like it's breathing better. But maybe it's just because I'm excited to have a good quality intake.